Laying of stone base has commenced on the 3.5 kilometers Igboukwu Amichi, Ekwulumili Road, a contract awarded in January 2025 by Governor Soludo. Works correspondent Obileri now reports.
When ABS arrived the site, men of Nev Clinton Construction Company, the firm handling the project, were seen discharging various degrees of construction work as some men were laying stone base on some portion, while others were casting the remaining portion of drainage on both sides of the road. Speaking to the ABS, the managing director of the construction company, Prince Neville Uchendo, said they started work on the road in early February this year, and they are working day and night to complete and hand over the job in the next 3 months. According to Prince Neville, who is the past Transition Committee Chairman for Orumba South Council area, he is seriously interested in delivering quality job that will stand the test of time.
When we are doing those things, we are trying to build a lot of catchment to check the velocity of the erosion. Apart from that, we are not behind the time, but above the time. We have to deliver a quality job because that is the main goal of solution team. Professor Soludo have made it a point of duty that any road he builds in Anambra State must stand at the test of time. Anything less than that is uncivilized.
A resident of the area, Mr. Joachim Obiokwe, said that the road was last awarded in the then eastern Nigeria but received no attention until Governor Soludo came on board, appreciating the governor for what he is doing in the state, even as he pledged unalloyed support of people of the area to his administration and his second-term bid. From Igboukwu Amichi, Ekwulumili Road, I am Obileri for ABS News.